Before we can start hunting, we need to set up the equipment we purchased. To do this, we need to open the inventory. Press I to open the inventory. We now need to select the Weapons tab. Here you can see the rifle we purchased and the ammunition to go with it. Let's stack the ammunition into one pile. This reduces our item count. To create a shortcut to the rifle, we need to access the editing panel. This can be done by pressing the key L. Here's the editing panel. This has now put us into editing mode. To create a shortcut to the rifle, simply pick up and drag the rifle and place it on the screen anywhere where you want. Here you can see we've now created a shortcut. If we want to remove a shortcut, simply place the mouse over the shortcut and drag the center icon into the trash can. Now the shortcut has disappeared. The quick bar, or toolbar, is ordered into action sets. These number from 1 to 9 and are accessed via the F keys on your keyboard. We want to place the rifle into the first slot on action set 1, so let's do that. Here you can see the shortcut has been created into action set 1. But there is no key mapping for this shortcut yet. To do this, we need to access the keyboard. Press G to access the keyboard. Here you can see the keyboard in editing mode set on active set 1, which is the one we're currently editing. We now need to create a shortcut to the rifle on the keyboard. Let's do it so it matches the quick bar. Drag the rifle into slot 1. This now means the rifle is accessible by pressing the number 1 key on the main keyboard. We also have a first aid pack. We need to set this up on the keyboard also. Navigate to the medical, potions and chemicals section of the inventory. Here you can see the first aid pack, or first aid pack. Simply drag the first aid pack in the same fashion as the rifle to the desired slot, for instance slot 2. We've now set up our basic equipment. To finish editing, simply press L again. Now our action set has been saved. Close the keyboard. Press I to close the inventory. Let's test our shortcut. Press 1 to bring up the rifle, and 2 to bring up the first aid pack. At the bottom of the screen you can now see the equipment status that I mentioned in Guide 1. For the first aid pack, this lets us know the reload delay. For the rifle, not only does it let us know about the reload delay, but it also tells us how much ammo we have for that particular rifle. We're now ready to begin hunting. When searching for a creature, be careful not to hunt next to a turret. If you draw a creature in too close to a turret, the turret will kill it. So we need to move away from the turret before we start shooting at the creature. I can see the creature I want to attack, so I'm highlighting it, selecting it and grabbing a stub from it. Here you go. Now that the creature is selected, I can merely use my quick shortcut key by pressing 1. I've already got the weapon primed up, so all I have to do is press 1 again, and this will begin shooting. Now the creature's attention has been grabbed, it's coming straight for me. It's important to note that the amount of damage I'm doing here will be more than you will be doing due to the amount of skills I have. The same goes for the FAP skills. The creature is now dead. I need to loot it. To do this, I can right click on the corpse or the stub. Now I've looted 12 animal oil residue. I can close the loot window and pick my next target. Here you can see I have 2 creatures attacking me. You have to be careful not to aggravate too many creatures, otherwise this will result in death. Sometimes creatures will run away from you. The bigger the creature gets, the less likely this becomes. Here you can see I've taken some damage. I want to heal myself, so now I press the number 2 key to bring up my first aid pack. Here you can see I've been healed. Do note that you won't be healed as much as I am with your lower skills. When it's finished reloading, I can heal again. Now I'm fully healed, I want to start shooting again. Press 1, and back to shooting. The creature's run off, so I now need to chase after it. I've just died, but now it's time to end my hunt anyway, as I've run out of ammo. Most of the items I looted are basically items I can put straight back into the TT to reclaim their value. Of course, you can go to the market and try and sell these items. Simply drag the items into the purchase window . And any other items you looted as also. Hit accept and then confirm, and the value of those items has now been returned to my ped balance. I now need to repair my kit. I do this by entering to the repair terminal. Simply right click on the repair terminal as you do the trade terminal. I have a weapon, so I need to repair my weapon. I also have tools, i.e. the FAP. I can see that I need to pay 1 PED and 4 PEG in repairs. Hit accept and then confirm. My items are now repaired. You've just successfully completed a hunt. Now you can buy some more ammo and repeat the process.